Good morning, class. Before starting the next topic in the angle and its measurement, let's first revise what is an angle. The figure formed by two rays with a common vertex is called angle. The horizontal line OA, this is the initial position, and OB is the final position. This is represented by angle AOB. Okay, the points which are inside, these are the interior points, and these are the exterior points, the points which are outside the angle, and the points which are on the rays, that is the point is on the angle AOB. The magnitude of an angle is the amount of rotation through which one of the arms must be rotated about the vertex to bring it to the other arm. That means this is the magnitude of this angle. Okay, the area denoted by this, where one arm is, we are bringing through, by rotating it through this vertex O, we are bringing to this position. This rotation, this amount of rotation is the magnitude of the angle. Now, how we will compare this magnitude of the angle? We can compare the magnitude through three ways. First is the comparison by inspection. Suppose I am drawing here two angles. Let this be angle PQR and let this be angle, say, XYZ. Now by inspecting, by looking these two angles, what do we see? We see that of course this angle is bigger than this angle. Why? Because the magnitude, the amount of rotation in this angle, it is less than in this angle, right? And by simply looking how much this magnitude is, by inspecting it, we can say that this angle PQR, let's write it, angle PQR is greater than angle XYZ. Simply by looking it. The amount of the arms opening, suppose like this you are opening the arms, okay? So the more you open the arms, the more the magnitude it, right? Similarly in the angle, here the arms opening is less, so this angle is smaller. Here it is wide, so this PQR is bigger, right? The second, we can compare the angles by tracing paper. Now you have seen that butter paper, I think so, the tracing paper by which we make designs in the drawing classes, right? So what we do, we trace one of the angle in the tracing paper and then we put it on the other, right? Suppose we have an angle drawn like this, okay, drawn here in the whiteboard. Now I put one more with a tracing paper like this. Suppose this is a tracing paper and I put it over here. Now this angle, it can be either here, or maybe it can be either here, or maybe that angle can be somewhere near here. So three cases are arising. If the angle on the tracing paper is over here, that means the angle of the tracing paper is bigger. If it is here, then both the angles are equal. And if it lies within this PQR, then it is smaller than PQR. Okay, so the first way to measure was by inspection. Second was by tracing it. Okay, and the third by using a protector. Hope you remember this. You have already done it in class 5, right? Now, how this angle is measured. The angle is measured by using a protector. And what is the symbol to write this measurement? The symbol to write this measurement is degree, which is like a small circle. How we will write it? Suppose let this angle AOB is equal to, let's say it is 60 degree. When we will place a protector on it like this and we will measure it, we will see that it is 60. The point on the protector will be 60, so the measurement will be 60 degree. This is the unit of measurement. Now what is this degree? This round circle, this is called degree. And 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. And how it is represented? This minutes is represented by this small line at the top. Okay? And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So how this seconds is represented? It is represented by double line at the right hand top side. Okay? So what we learned? The unit by which we measure the angle is called degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now we will learn types of angles. Let me explain it and then I will write the definitions and you will be writing all the definitions of all the types of angle in your geometry copy, right? So I have made a project for you. What is this? Simply 2 circular circles, right? And what we will do, we will cut one end of it and we will fix it like this. Okay? So now see, to show you, when this yellow, it is coinciding with this blue, this is 0 degree. The first type of angle is 0 degree. The second type of angle is when an angle lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. The L-shaped angle which is formed is called right angle. When an angle lies between 0 degree and 90 degree, it is called acute angle. Okay? When this final position is on the vertical line, see, this angle is just like an L. Okay? So when the angle is just like this, it is called right angle. When the magnitude of an angle is 90 degree, it is called right angle. When the angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, this side, this is 180 degree. So when the angle, see this angle, this is our initial line, this is our final line. So it is more than 90 degree, okay? This is our initial position, this is the final position. When the angle is more than 90 degree, this is obtuse angle. When the angle is a straight line, see when I move this yellow paper like this, it forms like a semicircle. Can you see this? So this angle, this is a straight angle. And the magnitude of this line is 180 degree. A straight line always forms a 180 degree. Okay. The next is reflex angle. The angle which is more than 180 degree. Like this. See. This is more than 180 degree, the straight line.
Less than 360 degree.
Then it is called reflex angle. This is also reflex angle. This is also reflex angle. And when an angle makes a complete 360 degree like this, see, it's a whole circle, yellow circle. So this is a complete angle. When the measure of this whole angle is 360 degree. So what we read? The first was acute angle. The second, right angle. Third one, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and then comes the complete angle. Okay. Now please write down the definitions.
Various types of angle. Acute angle, an angle whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Right angle, an angle whose measure is 90 degree is called an right angle. It's in the shape of L. Okay. Then obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Straight angle, an angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight angle. Since it's form a straight line, therefore we call it straight angle. Reflex angle, an angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Next is complete angle, an angle whose measure is 360 degree is called a complete angle. And zero angle, an angle whose measure is 0 degree is called an zero angle. Now see in the given diagram, it's so easier to remember all the angles. The orange lines gives us acute, blue line, the right angle. Again with the blue we are showing obtuse, straight angle and 0 degree by a black line, and the red line reflex angle. Okay, just to help you to remember it. Please remember one more point, the alphabet A. The alphabet A, letter A has also acute angle. Okay, and see the measurement. The smaller one is the obtuse angle and the larger one is the reflex angle. So let us solve question number 3 from exercise 13b. So what is the measure? How many degrees are there in one right angle? So right angle means 90 degree and one right angle means what will be the answer? 90 degree, right? So two right angles, that means 2 multiplied by 90 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. Then third is 3 right angles. So it will be 3 into 90 degree. So 3 9 ja 27, 270 degree is our answer. Let us write 2 by 3 of right angles. So that means 2 by 3 into 90 degree. So we can cut it. 3 1 ja 3, 3 30 90. So 2 3 ja 6. That means what will be our answer? 2 into 30 degree, that is 60 degree. Then the last one is, the sixth one will be 1/2 of a right angle. 1/2. So 1/2 of right angle means, 1/2 of right angles means we can write it as 3 by 2, right? So 3 by 2 into 90 degree. So that means we can multiply 3 into 45 degree. So what is our answer? 3 5 ja 15, 3 4 ja 12, 13, 135 degree is our answer, right? Thank you, class.